today's fast-paced world, stress seems to be an unavoidable part of life. Whether it's the daily grind of work, the demands of family, or the endless stream of news and social media, it can be challenging to find a moment of peace and quiet. Unfortunately, chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental health, leading to a range of issues such as anxiety, depression, and even high blood pressure. While traditional medicines can provide relief, they often come with side effects that can make things worse. But what if there was a natural way to promote balance and well-being without the negative side effects of traditional medications? And that's where ashwagandha comes in. With a long history of use in Ayurvedic medicine, ashwagandha is a natural way to promote health and wellness without the negative side effects associated with many traditional medications. That's why in this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of ashwagandha and uncover its many benefits. But there's one benefit in particular that you won't want to miss. It's a game changer for anyone looking to promote overall health and well-being. So keep watching to discover the amazing power of ashwagandha. Number 1. Stress. One of the most well-known benefits of ashwagandha is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. In today's world, stress is all too common, and it can have a significant impact on our mental and physical health. Fortunately, ashwagandha has been shown in numerous studies to help alleviate the negative effects of stress and anxiety. In one study, researchers found that participants who took ashwagandha had significantly lower levels of perceived stress compared to those who received a placebo. The study concluded that ashwagandha may be a safe and effective alternative treatment for managing stress-related disorders. So how does ashwagandha work to reduce stress and anxiety? One of the ways is by lowering cortisol levels in the body. Cortisol is a hormone that is released in response to stress, and high levels of cortisol can contribute to feelings of anxiety and tension. By lowering cortisol levels, ashwagandha can help promote a sense of calm and relaxation. Additionally, ashwagandha contains compounds known as methanolides, which have been shown to have anti-anxiety effects. These compounds work by modulating the activity of neurotransmitters in the brain, including GABA, which is known to have a calming effect. Overall, the studies on ashwagandha's ability to reduce stress and anxiety suggest that it may be a safe and effective natural remedy for those looking to manage the negative effects of stress in their daily lives. Number 2. Improves cognitive function. When we are stressed, our body produces a hormone called cortisol, which can damage brain cells and impair cognitive function over time. Ashwagandha has been shown to reduce cortisol levels in the body, which can help protect the brain and improve cognitive performance. It does this in several ways. First, ashwagandha has potent antioxidant properties, which help protect the brain from cellular damage caused by oxidative stress. This type of damage can impair cognitive function, so by reducing oxidative stress, ashwagandha can improve cognitive performance. Another way that ashwagandha may improve cognitive function is by increasing the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is essential for learning and memory. Ashwagandha has also been found to modulate the levels of other neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin, which can affect mood and cognitive function. These findings suggest that ashwagandha can be an effective natural supplement for improving cognitive function and protecting the brain against the negative effects of stress and anxiety. Number 3. Boosts immunity. Think about the last time you caught a cold or got sick. It's not a pleasant experience, is it? The truth is, we all want to avoid getting sick as much as possible. But sometimes our immune systems need a little extra help to stay strong. But that's where ashwagandha comes in. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen that has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and it has been shown to boost immunity in a variety of ways. For starters, it contains compounds called methanolides, which have been found to increase the production of white blood cells, the cells responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. Additionally, ashwagandha has been found to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help improve overall immune function. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but when it comes to chronic, it can lead to a variety of health problems, including a weakened immune system. But by reducing inflammation, ashwagandha can help keep your immune system functioning optimally. So it appears that by incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine, you may be able to give your immune system the boost it needs to stay strong and fight off illness. And if you feel that ashwagandha is something you would like to try, perhaps liking this video or even subscribing to Natural Education might also do the trick. But for now, let's proceed with the remaining benefits and especially the upcoming ones, which are life-changing. Number 4, reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to protect itself from injury, infections, and harmful stimuli. However, chronic inflammation can lead to several chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. This is where ashwagandha comes in, as it has been found to possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Ashwagandha contains already mentioned compounds called withanolides, which have been shown to inhibit the activity of certain pro-inflammatory cytokines in the body. These cytokines are responsible for triggering the inflammatory response, and by blocking their activity, ashwagandha can help reduce inflammation. By reducing the activity of these pro-inflammatory cytokines, ashwagandha can help to prevent this excessive inflammation from occurring, which can have a positive impact on our overall health. This is why ashwagandha is considered to be an anti-inflammatory herb and why it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat conditions related to inflammation. Number 5, lowers blood sugar levels. With our 5th benefit, let's focus on a big problem, perhaps even an elephant in the room: blood sugar levels. Thankfully, ashwagandha has been shown to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. One way it achieves this is by increasing insulin secretion from the pancreas, which helps to move glucose from the bloodstream into cells. Ashwagandha also appears to improve insulin sensitivity, meaning that cells are better able to respond to the insulin that is produced. In addition, ashwagandha has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, which can contribute to insulin resistance and impaired glucose tolerance. And once those markers are reduced, it may help improve overall metabolic health and reduce the risk of diabetes and other related conditions. But now let's look at some studies that support these findings. In a study, participants with type 2 diabetes were given 250 mg of ashwagandha extract twice daily for 4 weeks. The study found that the participants experienced a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels and an improvement in insulin sensitivity. Similar findings were discovered by taking 500 mg of ashwagandha root extract per day for 30 days, led to a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels in healthy individuals. These studies suggest that ashwagandha may be a helpful supplement for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, whether they have diabetes or not. However, as with many supplement or medication, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before starting to take ashwagandha to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. Number 6, reduces cholesterol and triglycerides. And for our final benefit, let's focus on one of the biggest problems out there: cholesterol levels. As another potential benefit of ashwagandha is its ability to reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood. There is no surprise that high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides can increase the risk of health problems. Cholesterol and triglycerides are 2 types of fats that circulate in our bloodstream. While they are important for various bodily functions, too much of them can lead to the buildup of plaque in our arteries, which can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Ashwagandha has been shown to help reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, potentially helping to lower the risk. In one study, participants with high cholesterol who took ashwagandha for 60 days experienced a significant decrease in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, and triglycerides compared to a placebo group. Lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels through natural methods such as ashwagandha supplementation may be a promising approach for improving heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. As we come to the end of this video, it's clear that ashwagandha is a remarkable herb with numerous health benefits, from reducing stress and anxiety to boosting immunity and lowering blood sugar levels. But if you're interested in learning more about the health benefits of other natural remedies, be sure to check out our next video on the incredible benefits of celery juice, as some of the benefits mentioned in this video can be achieved quicker using celery juice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.